Hey everybody, I'm walking to downtown Ada. It's dark and it's raining out, so I don't know what you'll be able to see. I'll give it a try. They still got their Christmas lights on the street. Whoops, I dropped my glove. Starting to rain harder now. Try to get under a canopy or something. Probably won't walk to the covered bridge the way I wanted to. I will another time though. Oh, it's a bike shop. That's cool. I usually do my own bike repair and maintenance, but maybe I'll bring it here and get to know the people and get a tune-up. Bicycle, that is. Hopefully this will turn out. I don't know if it will or not. Well, I'm going to try it anyway and look at it afterward. Because of the rain, I might get a malfunction. Might stop filming. And I'll do a daytime film of this too sometime. It's a nice little place. Ooh, getting harder again. Probably walked about a mile or mile and a half. I might turn around and go back if the mood strikes me. Oh, there's Hungry Howie's. Huh. I knew it wasn't too far away, but I didn't know it was right here. Speedway. I'm gonna stop for now because it's getting blurry. I'm restarting the film now on downtown Ada. The Fifth Third Bank there on the left. Right there. And there's the Comerica, I believe. There's like 6 banking institutions down here. Very lit up. And this is just headed back the other way. It wasn't that much further than when I stopped it. I should have kept going, but But it's view from the other. View from the other end going the other way. We'll just go up to Union Bank here. And I'll take a shot down the road. That might have been where Domino's was, I'm not sure. Might have been the next block over otherwise. Anyway, it's been a good walk. I love walking. I really love walking out in the nature. But this is nice too. I love walking through little towns and checking out the stores and what they have. No, this isn't the Domino's. This is the garage. It's a bar, restaurant, grill. And I'm gonna hurry and beat the light. I'm gonna shut it off for now. Have a good night, everybody. Hope all is well. Bye.